哎，你们干嘛的？
Hello everyone, I'm Leon. Today I'm going to take you guys to visit our paperboard factory. This place is our raw paper material warehouse, and all craft paper is imported from USA. They are 100% natural and eco-friendly. The paper is all full grade. This is our paper roll cutting machines. The paper roll will be cut into paper pieces. We call these pieces paper fan. This paper fan will be sent to our farm workshop to do the final step. Of course, this is just one part of manufacturing process. There are still many interesting places to discover. Let's go. This is our private workplace. If you are not our company's people, you cannot go inside. But today you can follow me to go and have a check.
哎，你们干嘛的？
A few moments later.
This is our new people, so he didn't know me. But now you can follow me, go inside. We have many advanced paperboard machines here. Paper rolls and paper fans will be made into the paperboard by these machines. Our paperboard machine speed is so fast. We can make 15,000 pieces in one day. After the paperboard is done, they get delivered to the auto pack machine. Then our workers will pack them into carton box. When production is finished, our paperboard will be loaded into this container, and our truck will take this container to the seaport. When the container arrives at the seaport, the ship will take this container to customer's place. At last, if you want to know more about our factory and product, please leave in the comments below and message us.